Hi, I'm Luna. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video from Quantum Tech Lab, I'll guide you how to find hidden apps on your Android phone. Open the settings menu. This is the main control center where you can manage and customize all your phone's features. Next, scroll down and see the home screen option. On some Android devices, this might be inside display settings or listed directly in the main settings menu. Tap on it to open more options related to your home screen layout and customization. Now look for an option called Hide Apps or something similar like Hidden Apps. The exact wording may vary depending on your phone's brand such as Samsung, Xiaomi or other Android models. Once you tap on it, you'll see a list of apps that are currently hidden on your device. From here, you can view all hidden apps. You also have the option to add more apps to the hidden list or remove apps to make them visible again. Now select or deselect the apps and save your changes. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Quantum Tech Lab for more easy tech tutorials.